On June 20th, 2023, a day that started out routine for the Colorado State Patrol quickly turned into a serious and tragic event on Highway 50 in Otero County. Just before 11 a.m., Colorado State Patrol troopers were called to help deputies in Otero County. A man named Anthony Alfonso Sanchez III was running from police. This wasn't just any chase. The call included a report of shots fired. That means everyone responding knew this was a dangerous situation right from the start. When officers arrived, they found Sanchez driving recklessly. He was weaving through traffic, trying to cause crashes, and even attempting to force head-on collisions with other vehicles. This kind of driving puts everyone on the road at risk, not just the police, but innocent drivers and passengers too. The troopers had to act fast. They used a technique called a tactical vehicle intervention, or TVI. This is a careful maneuver designed to safely stop a fleeing vehicle by nudging or pinching it to bring it to a halt. It's a risky move, but often necessary to protect the public. The TVI worked. Sanchez's car came to a stop and officers moved in to arrest him. At this point, it looked like the situation was under control.
Pit maneuver, hold traffic.
Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You got him?
Exit the car! Hands up!
Got me? Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
On the ground! Get out on the ground! On the ground!
I got you.
Dude! Get out on the ground.
What the fuck? Hands behind your back.
I got two
Hands behind your back. What's going on?
Get on the ground.
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Jimmy's got a holster. I didn't find a gun. It's right there. Okay.
Stop.
What's that?
Open your back seat. Hey, sit in the car. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off.
Right now,
Take your shoes off. Lift up.
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Okay, sit.
I got you.
Put your feet in. Car. 2 Charlie 3's car. 723.
Car eastbound 50. Charger. They need a spike strip it if they can.
Truck board copy, 1122.
How did you get that one?
Copy 1120. Okay.
Tell Naomi she can send them through in the left lane.
So it sounds like we have multiple crashes. I witnessed him ram a blue car.
So intentional acts.
Intentional act on that one. I don't know about the names of them.
Alright, so we can get the information on all the victims, and it's up to you, because it was your pursuit if you want it. It's an agency assessment. Basically,
So it started the crash.
But while officers were still securing the scene, Sanchez managed to slip away. Somehow he got into a fully marked Colorado State Patrol SUV, the very police vehicle on site, and took off in it. In just seconds, he was speeding away again, putting everyone back in danger. This unexpected twist sent law enforcement agencies across the region into action. They immediately began chasing the stolen patrol car, determined to stop Sanchez before anyone else got hurt.
Put your feet in.
As a homeowner or a prospective homeowner, you may like to know people's credit union. Give us a call, 719-336-8452. The next question that we might have. I have a question for you. Do you want to make some money? And potentially a lot of money? If your answer is yes, then KVA...
Sir, 210-4, I copy. Serial number, returning Clearbo, no record.
Oh, what the fuck? Fuck!
That will make that business successful. You can go on, but if you want to make a lot of money and help grow our business, then you can talk to
02, suspect just stole a CSP patrol car. He is
The chase was intense and fast. Officers set up spike strips. These are devices placed on the road to puncture tires and slow down fleeing vehicles. Sanchez hit the spike strips, lost control of the patrol car, and crashed into a large commercial truck parked on the side of the highway. The crash was severe. Officers rushed to the scene, pulled Sanchez from the wreckage, and got him to a hospital as quickly as possible. Sadly, despite their efforts, he died from his injuries. The driver of the truck was unharmed, thankfully.